Hey CurlyKin, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a get ready with me because I'm going to work, but I want to do my makeup for work because we're supposed to be going somewhere after work, like as a group. So I want to do my makeup, but it's not like a club or anything like that. We're just going out to eat, so I'm gonna just have my makeup done for that. But also the lighting, isn't it amazing? I got some new lights and I think I like them. Like, it looks like really good. So yeah, we're gonna do my makeup today. Hopefully it comes out good because I don't have long. I'm supposed to been sat down to start doing my makeup, but I was doing so much other stuff. So we're just gonna see if I can make it. If I can't, oh well, you know. I have been doing my makeup differently since the last time. Like, I feel like I've changed my makeup routine since then. Oh yeah, I done added new products and stuff. Is the Juvia's Place Eye Primer. Okay, there we go. And so I'm gonna try this today, and I got it in a light color because it's kind of hard for darker skin tones eyeshadow to show up. So I got it in a lighter color so you'll be able to see the colors better. And I also got a new palette, and it is the Morphe 35A Up to Dawn Artistry palette. Yeah, Artistry palette. And when I tell you, I was so happy when I seen this palette. I was like, oh my god, all the colors are so pretty, and I feel like I could use this for an everyday look, and if I want to, you know, zhuzh it up a bit as well. So I was happy that I got it. Also, I got some new lashes from the beauty supply store. So it's a whole lot of new stuff going on. So now I'm gonna start my brows, and for my brows, what I've been doing new is I've been using the e.l.f. brow lift, and it's in clear, and I just get a spoolie and run it through. Okay, and the brush I use for my brows is the e.l.f. brow duo. I also have another one from Morphe, but I have been reaching for this one lately. Okay, now it's time for the primer, and I got it in shade 2. I forgot to mention that, but we're gonna see how this goes. And I'm gonna use it on my Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush. And if I remember correctly, somebody said you gotta do one eye at a time because it dries fast. So one eye at a time. I just flipped it over on the on the back so I can blend it out because I put too much on the brush. We know me, heavy-handed queen, don't know when to not apply product. And just, there we go. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Okay, now go on the other side, do the same thing, and then I'm gonna come behind it with my beauty blender to blend it all out and make it look, you know, better than, you know, got these brush strokes everywhere. Okay, I use the Wet n Wild primer serum, the hydrating one, because I am a dry skin girly, so I like to, you know, use hydrating stuff on my face. Okay, then I use 3 primers. I know that's a lot, but it always helps my makeup look so good, so I don't mind it. Then I use the e.l.f. vitamin C primer. I think it's a putty primer, but it's in the little pan, and I have hit pan on it because I use it so much. Every time I do my makeup, I use this. It's really, really good. So I just get a little bit of that and put it all over my face. And that's all the priming for now. And then right before I put on my foundation, I put on my third primer, which is the e.l.f. Power Grip primer. I'm just gonna take Spicy Hot in this palette, and we're just gonna in the crease. That is pigmented. Wasn't expecting that. Okay. Then I'm gonna take like a round brush and get the darker brown right next to it, Mystique, and concentrate that more in my crease, like right just below it. Probably should have, used that one first, but it's okay. You live and you learn. And that's basically it for the eyes. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, then I'm gonna come back. Okay, I thought I was done, but I want to add a little extra to it, so I'm gonna take the color Cloud Fall and put that on the lid to, brighten it up so it won't be looking so dark. Now it's time for the last primer, and I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna use the Mint Melt primer by e.l.f. because I cannot find my e.l.f. Power Grip. I think that's what it's called. Because the e.l.f. Power Grip, it has some techniques to it, but this one also has some techniques to it, so we're gonna be just fine. And I still use the Fenty powder, Fenty foundation, the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 490. I take about 2 pumps on the back of my powder thing, so I can diffuse it out instead of putting like a whole lot on my face. So yeah, and there it goes. We're gonna take my beauty blender. I think this is a Morphe sponge. Also, for my foundation, I try to avoid my nose, because if I put too much product on my nose, it starts to look cakey and weird and wrong. So I just avoid that until it's time for concealer and contour. Okay, so once that's done, I get my Morphe setting spray with the continuous mist bottle. Get that and go over a time or two, and then it's time for my concealer. And I use the Black Radiance True Complexion Longwear Concealer in the shade it does not say. I normally go like really bright with my concealer because I like bright under eye. And I'm also, if you haven't noticed already, I'm also stuck in 2016 with my makeup. Like some of the stuff I'm still stuck back in the day. Like I want to try underpainting and all that stuff, but I am scared. that it's not gonna look good on me, and then I be then wasted, you know, my time. I have 12 minutes and I'm supposed to be leaving out the door, and it doesn't look like that's gonna happen today. Now it's time for contour, and this is my favorite part because I love me a good nose contour. And what I use for contour is the e.l.f. Putty Brown bronzer. See, I go to also a lot, and I just be up in there looking, and when I see new stuff I get it. So that's why most of my stuff is e.l.f. because I be like, oh my god, I did not know e.l.f. had this, and then I be like, ooh, let's try it, you know? And for my cheek, I just do like that and drag it up a little bit, and same on this side. I got it. Now we're gonna do the flower powder by Beauty Bakery in the shade Plantain or Caramel. And I pick up some on my beauty blender, but then I also like dab it off because I don't want too much. And before I do that, I'll go under my eyes again to make sure there are no creases, because we do not want to set creases. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so that is pretty much the eye look done. I don't know how this is gonna go. It's giving cute, but it's also giving girl crazy. So what I'm gonna do is go finish the rest of my face, as in put highlighter, lashes, and lips on, and we'll hope for the best. And I'm gonna post pictures, of course, so you'll be able to see what it actually looks like in different lighting, because this lighting is giving scary lady. So we're gonna see, we're gonna hope, and we're gonna pray that it looks good. And I don't have no time left. I'm supposed to be out the house now, so we're officially late, but it's okay, it's fine, it's cool. We're gonna try to hurry up so we can get out of here. Okay, I feel like I need some more highlight. You can't go wrong with more highlight. But yeah, I'm just putting highlight on my face, adding a little bit more because I feel like it needs just a tad bit more. And I also added a blue sparkle shimmer in my inner corner to match with the dark blue green color under my eye. And I'm officially 11 minutes late. So yeah. And I just did a brown liner because I like the natural color of my lips, so I just did a brown liner, and then I'm going to put a clear gloss over it, and that's going to be it. But this is the finished look. I like it. I'm proud of myself. So now I'll take down the hair so I can continue to get ready, because ooh, your girl is late. I don't think I'm gonna be too late though. Not too late. It'll be all right. Middle part is giving middle part today. My hair needs a refresh. I need to wash it and flat iron it again because it is giving limp. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I don't think I'm gonna give middle part today, or middle part works. Middle part works. Middle part works. So yeah, this is what it's giving. I'm gonna go put my clothes on so I can leave. But that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. But before you leave, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click the little bell button so you never miss the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'm cute. And can't nobody tell me differently. Gotta pump yourself up sometimes. I am late. I can't be pumping myself up. Bye.